This video aims to introduce our academy for continuing education of professionals starting or working in the oil and gas industry, focusing on refining. We will focus on 3 W's: what, why, and who. What is the purpose of the OMS eLearning Academy? Why did we create this academy? Why will it help the refining industry professionals? And most important of all, who are our target audiences? We will guide a matrix of courses and their learning paths for each level of professional skills. A typical refinery produces more than 6,000 liquid, gaseous, and solid products. They are manufactured in 2 distinct operations, onsite and offsite. On-site operations make all intermediate products that are used for end products. However, they cannot be sold alone and must be blended to meet specifications in off-site operations. You can now imagine that only off-site operations make and ship final products to end users and must meet all quality specifications. Any deviation in either direction of quality specs would cost millions of dollars to the refinery. Our academy aims to educate the professionals working in the off-site operations of all technologies to help them make engineering and business decisions to improve and maintain the refinery's bottom line. Typically, engineers are transferred in and out of off-site operations every 18 to 24 months and start afresh without in-house or public training. So what happens then? Engineers are at a loss and clueless about how to do their job responsibly. Then, before getting a handle on the job, they're transferred to another department. Our eLearning Academy minimizes the gap between the availability of the learning skills for their job and time to learn as they have access to what they need and how soon. This improves their job performance and eventually the refinery's bottom line. Our academy offers to learn to all levels of refinery professionals, fresh graduates or employees, executives and managers, engineers at all experience levels, management consultants, process equipment vendors, etc. The point is that our academy is something for all professionals involved with the oil and gas industry, focusing on the refining sector. So if you have the appetite for learning, our academy has contents to fulfill it. As shown in this slide, the architect of our academy curriculum has both vertical and across layers of learning. Let us discuss one of the curricula, namely the refresher course. It has 4 vertical levels of M-Core areas of learning, namely manage infrastructure, control manufacturing, optimize production, and reconcile hydrocarbons. One must learn them sequentially to maximize the learning experience and gain knowledge. The same structure is followed for executive and manager primer curricula. However, for an engineer, the curriculum follows vertical and across levels of courses to gain knowledge, starting from the trainee engineer to the expert level. All curricula are designed with the learner's learning needs, how much time he can spend, and the levels of expertise he wants to achieve. This matrix shows our recommended guidelines for different courses for professionals based on their needs, available time, and degree of details required for their job responsibility. Our courses have varying contents and require different periods to complete them. Therefore, the run lengths of courses can vary from 2 hours to 12 months. Fresh graduates and employees can start slowly, and experienced professionals can move fast to complete the course curriculum. Please note that the time shown here is only for one aspect of the M-Core curriculum. To enroll in those 4 levels of M-Core, the time and number of topics will be 4 times. This is a bird's eye view of our academy's entire curriculum and how one would proceed from initial refresher state to expert skill level. This slide shows free versus paid, discounted, customizable, and structured courses. Our academy offers self-paced, live, and hybrid courses to meet all your learning needs. To summarize, our eLearning Academy for refinery professionals is very flexible extensive in content, and has many payment options and modes of learning great topics. We hope that you will join our academy and enroll in a few free courses to see what we offer. We would be incredibly open to your suggestions for any improvement in any areas. You can reach out to our Academy Director, Dr. Suresh Agrawal, to interact with him online in a free Zoom meeting.